Hello student, today I am going to discuss equilibrium of concurrent forces. What is concurrent forces? When a number of forces act at the same point, they are called concurrent forces. You see the diagram. There are three forces, that is F1, F2 and F3. These three forces are said to be concurrent because their initial point is same. Means these three forces acting at a same point, single point. Therefore, these three forces are called concurrent forces. Now, what is called equilibrium of concurrent forces? A number of concurrent forces are said to be in equilibrium if the vector sum is 0. So, here you see these three forces F1, F2, F3. If the vector sum of these three forces are 0, then it is called equilibrium of concurrent forces. So, if F1, F2 plus F3 vector sum of these three forces are 0, then it is called equilibrium of concurrent forces. Now, considering that three concurrent forces F1, F2 and F3 are acting at the point O as shown in figure. In order to find the resultant of F1 and F2 and F3, we first find the resultant of F1 and F2 by completing a parallelogram OAC'B. So, according to the law of parallelogram, if two consecutive forces represented by the if two vectors represent the two consecutive sides of a parallelogram acting simultaneously, then resultant of these two vectors is represented by the diagonal passing through that point. So here F1 and F2, these two vectors, now these forces are said to vector. These two forces or two vectors represent the two sides of a parallelogram and acting at a single point. Then the resultant of F1 F2 is represented by the diagonal who is passing through that point. So F1 F2, these two vectors, the resultant of this vector is OC dash. So diagonal OC dash gives the resultant of F1 and F2. Now, if F3 is equal and opposite to F1 plus F2, if F3 is equal and opposite to F1 and F2, F1 plus F2, then the resultant of F1, F2 and F3 acting at the point O will be 0. Therefore, F1, F2 and F3 will be in equilibrium if OC equal to minus OC dash. OC is F3 and OC dash is F1 plus F2. F1 plus F2. So F1, F2 bring left side. So F1 plus F2 plus F3 equal to 0. Now this vector sum of F1, F2 and F3 is equal to 0. Now this is a condition for equilibrium of concurrent forces. Again I am telling you, concurrent forces means when number of forces act at the same point, they are called concurrent forces. A number of concurrent forces are said to be in equilibrium if the vector sum of is 0. So here F1, F2, F3, these three forces are said to be concurrent forces since they are acting at a single point, and these three forces are equilibrium because their vector sum equal to 0. Their vector sum is 0. So in order to find the condition for equilibrium of concurrent forces, so we are making a parallelogram. So F1 and F2 represent the two sides of a parallelogram. Then according to the law of parallelogram, the resultant of F1 and F2 is represented by the diagonal, which is F1 plus F2. Now we have drawn another vector F3, which is equivalent opposite to F1 plus F2. So F3 OC is equal to minus OC dash. OC equal to minus OC dash. Here OC dash is F1 plus F2, and OC dash is F1 plus F2, and OC is F3. So OC is F3 minus OC dash is F1 plus F3. So bring left side, F1 plus F2 plus F3 equal to 0. So their vector sum of these three forces is 0. Now that is why this is called equilibrium of concurrent forces. Thank you.